Good morning, children. As you all know that we are doing the chapter 4 parts and wholes. We have done the fraction. We have done in the introduction what is the fraction. Then we have learned the different types of fraction. Then we have learned how to find the equivalent fractions. Now today's our topic is conversion of fractions. We need to convert the fractions from improper to mixed, from mixed to improper. Now let us see how to convert the given fraction. First is conversion of an improper fraction to mixed fraction. Why we are converting the improper fraction to mixed fraction? Because we want to know how many wholes are there in this. Through improper fraction, we come to know how much is the whole part and how much is the fraction part of a object of a thing. So now here the example is convert 3 upon 5 into mixed. Sorry, convert the 5 upon 3 into mixed fraction. Now how to convert the 5 upon 3 into the mixed fraction? There are some steps. Step 1. Children, open your notebook and start writing along with me.
Ma'am, in this side, conversion of an improper.
Everything the way I have written on the board, everything you have to write in the notebook. First, write the date, chapter number, parts and wholes. Topic is conversion of fractions. In conversion of fractions, first topic is conversion of an improper fraction to the mixed fraction. Now, our sum number 1 is convert 5 upon 3 into mixed fraction. In this step 1 is, I put a line here so that I'll write the steps this left hand side and write the solution right hand side. So step 1 says divide the numerator by the denominator. So children, please write this step. After writing this, divide the numerator by the denominator. Now here, Maisha will tell me what is the numerator. Maisha, switch on your microphone and tell me what is the numerator here. Maisha, Vedansh,
Yes, ma'am.
Maisha, tell me what is the numerator in this fraction?
Numerator.
Numerator, yes. Which number in this fraction, which number is the numerator?
5.
Yes. So 5 will be divided by which number? 5 will be divided by which number? Vedas?
3.
Yes. Thank you. So 5 will be divided by 3. So we write 3 here and 5 here. In table of 3, 3 ones are 3. Please do this division in the right hand side rough column. I don't have a space. I am doing it here. You have to do it to the right hand side of your rough column. Make a rough column this way, right hand side, and divide like this. I will also erase from here and write it here. 3 ones are 3. When you subtract, you will get the remainder. Now, is it possible to divide it again now? Vedansh will answer me. Vedansh, switch on your microphone and tell me. Krishita, Krishita, tell me. Now I don't know. Krishita, Aheli, no. So now we will not divide, we'll stop here. So the step 2 says, are you all writing, children? Please tell me yes or no. Switch on your microphone, everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
All are writing.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Switch on your microphones.
Ma'am.
You please read. I can see you written and wait. And
Kajal ma'am, which child is this?
Devanshi, ma'am. Devanshi.
Ma'am, I cannot hear that child properly.
Devanshi Virani.
Devanshi, your voice is breaking. You have any problem, write in the chat box.
ma'am, now,
Yes.
Yes.
ma'am, I am telling you that you wait for 5 minutes. First, we write this upper one, and then we will, when you will explain that time, we will write the
Okay.
other one.
Preet, which side I have to take, right side or the left side? Preet?
But ma'am, your board is visible properly.
Okay, ma'am. So now the step 2 is we get 1 as the quotient. What is the quotient here, children? Advika will tell me. Advika, what is the quotient here?
Arush, switch on your microphone.
Ma'am, your board is not seen to me half because your camera is slanting.
Now,
No, ma'am. I can see only the number 3 on the side.
Kajal ma'am, can you check that it is visible or not?
It is visible, ma'am.
Ma'am, I can see it only half.
You pin on my screen, my dear. Pin on presentation screen on my Renu Punjabi screen. Then you will be
Ma'am, I
able to
have
see.
pinned it. I have pinned it, but I cannot see a board. I can only see it half.
But
Now
the
you
board
can
is
see.
visible.
No, ma'am.
I can see
Just
it.
log out and log in again.
Arush Verma, switch on your camera.
We get 1 as the quotient and 2 as the remainder. 2 as the remainder. R-E-M-A-I-N-D-E-R. So these are the 2 steps. So after the second step, the third step is write the mixed fraction with the quotient as the whole number. Write the mixed
Switch on your
fraction.
camera.
Yes, ma'am?
I'm telling to mantra. Switch on.
Okay. Write the mixed fraction with the quotient.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I'm saying I'm Nishika that I have come late. So what you have explained from now?
Nishika, just a minute. I'll explain you again. Let me write. Okay. I'll explain you
Yes,
again. No
ma'am.
problem.
Hmm.
Write the mixed fraction with the quotient as the whole number. And the I will write after end. So first everyone has to write this, then I will write it again. So Nishika, today's our topic is the conversion of fractions from mixed to improper and from improper to mixed, which we have done in grade 4 also. Kajal ma'am, is my board is looking blur?
No, ma'am, it is clear.
I Haley, just log out and log in again, my dear. So, Nishika, are you there? Nishika,
Yes, ma'am, I'm there.
switch on your microphone. So, I'm explaining it again. Just listen. Conversion of fractions we are doing. First, we are doing conversion of an improper fraction to the mixed fraction. Nishika, tell me which is the improper fraction?
Ma'am, improper fractions are those means whom the improper fractions are those that the numerator is bigger than the denominator.
Yes, when the numerator is bigger than the denominator, we need to convert it into the mixed fraction because we want to know how much whole part is included in this fraction. So
Yeah.
now the fraction is 5 upon 3 and we need to convert it into the mixed. Where after converting it into the mix, we come to know how much whole part is there and how much is the fraction part. So the
Yeah.
first step is to divide the numerator by the denominator. Here the numerator is 5 and the denominator is 3. So we divided the 5 by the 3. We got the quotient as 1 and the remainder as 2. So after dividing, the step 2 says we get 1 as the quotient and 2 as the remainder.
Yes.
Excuse me,
Yes?
ma'am.
Yes.
Excuse me, Renu ma'am. Your board is visible hardly.
Nishika,
I am also.
can you
Yes,
able to
ma'am.
see my full board?
Yes, ma'am. I can see your full board.
Yes, ma'am.
Prithvi, just pin on my screen. Renu Punjabi screen.
Ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes,
I
ma'am.
pinned your screen and also it's showing half board.
No, ma'am, your board is visible.
Ma'am, your board is clear.
My dear, just those who facing the problem, just simply log out and log in again.
Ma'am, I did not understand.
Who? Which child is this?
Ma'am, I did not understand.
Devanshi, ma'am. Devanshi,
Which child is
Ma'am,
this?
we have to divide.
Yes.
Ma'am, Devanshi.
Yes, Devanshi. First step is to divide the
Ma'am,
numerator
divide
with the denominator.
Okay, so ma'am.
After dividing, you will get. Yes, tell me, Devanshi.
Ma'am, then we have to write this full formula and then we have to, in step 3, what we have to do, that only I did not understand.
So that I have not
Step
explained
3.
fully. Step 3, I did not explain.
Okay.
So the step 2 is we get, after dividing, the step 1 says to divide the numerator with the denominator. In every sum, you first have to divide the numerator with the denominator. After that, in the step 2, you have to write what is the quotient and what is the remainder. Your quotient is here 1 and your remainder is 2. In the third step, I'm going to erase this topic name. In the third step, write the mixed fraction with the quotient as the whole number and the proper fraction with remainder as numerator and divisor as denominator. So first you all write, I will explain you about this also, what this is saying. Write the mixed fraction with the quotient as the whole number. Whole number, you know, in the mixed, there is one divide line. One number is the mixed.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, my dear.
Ma'am, your board is coming half in the screen.
Please simply
You pin on my screen.
Ma'am, I have pinned only in the right side of your board.
Now,
Ma'am, in the right side of your board, it is some only.
No, some part is left.
now,
Ma'am, move this side.
Don't shift
Ma'am,
your
it's
board.
proper only.
It's
Children,
proper.
please check.
It's
Kajal ma'am,
It's proper, ma'am. It is
Aryan,
proper.
is it proper?
Aryan Agarwal.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am, it is
I can only see the half.
Now it is visible.
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
It is visible.
Ma'am, of
Yes.
the left side.
This side now.
Left
Yes.
side.
See, check.
No,
No.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now it is visible.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now let's see. I'm going to explain you the third point. Write the mixed fraction with the quotient as the whole number. As you all know, when we write any fraction, this I am doing here, but you have to do lengthwise only. You no need to do this side. I don't have a space, so I am writing the how to solve this part. How to solve the part number 3, step number 3. So step number 3 says write the mixed fraction with the quotient as the whole number. You all know in the mixed, there is something whole, which is here. There is something in the numerator and the denominator. So it is saying that write the mixed fraction with the quotient as the whole number. So our quotient was 1. So it will go in the whole number. And the proper fraction with the remainder as the numerator. NUMERATOR. So it is saying that the proper fraction with remainder as the numerator. So your remainder was 2. That you will write, sorry, your remainder was 2 that you will write in the numerator. And divisor as our denominator. So which number is the divisor and which is the dividend? This number, this 3 is the divisor. So it will come as the denominator. So always remember that when we are converting from improper fraction to the proper mixed fraction, the denominator will be at his own place. Same. Always the denominator will be at his own place because this is the divisor. This is always at the same place. And the quotient will be your whole number and your remainder will be your numerator. Now this is your answer. So 5 upon 3 after converting into the mixed fraction will be 1 whole number 2 upon 3. So only in this sum we write the steps. Other sums for practice we will do without steps because now we understood what we have to do first. First we have to divide the numerator and the denominator. Then we will get the quotient and the remainder. After getting the quotient and the remainder, arrange them in the mixed fraction. So the quotient will be your whole number. Your remainder will be your numerator and your divisor will be your denominator. Are you all clear, children, till here?
Hello.
Yes.
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 Ma'am,
Yes.
I can't see the step 2. I have to write that.
Now you can see?
No, ma'am, it is clearly visible.
Just
Ma'am,
check,
step-
Nitika.
Yes.
Ma'am, step
ma'am.
2 down one, it is not visible.
Now it is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It is visible.
Yes, ma'am. It is
If you will,
Okay. So
yes,
step
ma'am.
one here.
Kids, switch on your camera. Aheli, switch on your camera. Om.
So please start writing this, children.
Ma'am, written.
Aheli.
Ma'am,
switch
written. Ma'am, my
on your camera.
camera is
Ma'am, your camera is off.
Now,
Writing.
now it is visible.
Yes, ma'am, I can see your
Yes,
board
ma'am.
also and I can hear your voice clearly also.
Thank you.
Ma'am, your camera is off.
Ma'am, your camera is on.
Yes, ma'am, your
Hi.
camera is on only.
Now, my dear, please write it fast.
Clear, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am, I cannot see your screen.
Prithvi, switch on your camera
Write the
first.
next fraction with the question as the
Switch off your microphone.
who is
Yes,
number.
Shrupa, switch on your camera.
Switch off your microphone and switch on your cameras, please.
Write
Yes,
the
Shrupa,
mixed
can you
fraction.
hear me?
Children, please fast. Those who have done these 2 steps, I'm going to erase this. Can I erase the 2 steps?
Yes,
Write in
ma'am.
the chat box.
Yes.
The
Ma'am.
question
Don't write in the chat box, Beta.
Please write in
Show
the
your
chat
thumbs up.
box. Ma'am.
If you have done your work, show your thumbs up.
and the third step also.
Okay, so I'm going to erase this.
As the whole number.
Those who have done this first example, they will do the next example. So second example is convert 15 upon 7 into mixed. Start doing, children, into a mixed fraction. And tell me the answer in the chat box fast. No need to write all the steps, but you have to follow the steps. First divide, get the numerator, get the remainder. Please switch off your microphone.
Aryan Agarwal, switch on
I can
your microphone.
hear that
7.
one of the child has switched on the microphone. Please switch off.
Nishika Agarwal.
So next sum is convert 15 upon 7 into a mixed fraction.
Ma'am,
Please
1
do
upon 7
it
is the
fast.
fraction and 2 is
You
the
have
whole.
to write chat
Let
box.
everyone do. Please write the answer in the chat box. Please write the answer in the chat box, children. So now the second
Repeat the question.
15 upon 7. 15 is the numerator, 7 is the denominator. Convert it into the mixed.
In the chat box.
Yes, I can check. Many of you are giving me the answer in the chat box. Good. So our first step was to divide. First, we write the sum in the solution. Then we divide it into the rough column. In 7 table, how many times 15 or less than 15 comes?
7
Please
to
write.
the 4.
Yes, 2 the 40 minus 1. So our remainder is 1. So our second step says divide. So after dividing, the third step says to arrange them. So our third step is your remainder will be your, where will be the question goes? Your remainder will be your numerator. Your quotient will be your whole number, and your denominator is always the same. The divisor will be at the denominator. Now, if you want to check whether it is right or wrong, that I will tell you how to check it, whether your answer is right or wrong. You need to multiply both these numbers, the whole number and... Yes, my dear.
Ma'am, how to speak this one? Mixed fraction. This
Yesterday
one.
also I explained you that the number which is written here is the whole number. 2 whole number 1 upon 7.
Purv Jain, switch on your camera.
So now how to check this, whether this is right or wrong after doing this, after division. Sometimes I face children write 2 here, 1 here and 7 here. They know how to divide, but they don't know how to assemble them, how to write it in the whole number. So now our correct was this. Now how to check whether this is right or this is right? First First, we need to multiply denominator with the whole number. 7 into 2 is 14. Put a multiplication sign for your check. 7 into 2 is 14. In 14 plus 1, that is 15. It means 15 upon 7. This is right. Because this is saying 7 into 1 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 upon 7. It means this is wrong. You need to multiply the denominator with the whole number and plus the numerator. So 7 into 1 is 7 plus 2 is 9. So this will become 9 upon 7. 7 into 2 is 14 plus 1 is 15 upon 7. It means 15 upon 7 is right, not 9 upon 7. Children, many, I know many of you face problem here, where the numerator will go, where the quotient will go, and where the divisor will go. So always remember that your remainder, which is down, which will go up. Your quotient, which is here, is go in the whole number. And your divisor will come as the denominator. Divisor will be same, which is the denominator here and here also denominator. Clear, children?
Show your thumbs.
Show your thumbs up. Are you all clear or not? Is there any child facing problem in this?
No, ma'am. I have written also.
Clear?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Done? Everyone done this?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Can I proceed?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, after this, we will learn conversion of mixed fraction to improper fraction, which I have already explained you to check method, no? That method only will apply here to convert. Can I erase the full board?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, now switch off your microphone. Switch off your microphone. Our second step, please write along with me.
Excuse me, ma'am. Your
Yes.
camera is off.
Let me check. Now,
Ma'am,
Maisha,
your
can you
voice
able to
is...
see now?
Ma'am, it's off.
Now, Kajal ma'am.
Ma'am, it's on only. Ma'am, it is on only. Ma'am,
Okay.
Ma'am, it is on.
Ma'am, it's
Children, now switch off your microphones and get ready for the next. Next topic is conversion of mixed fraction into an improper fraction. Now in this you will get the question. Question is convert. I'm going to erase this. Convert 1 whole number 3 upon 5 into improper fraction. So just now I told you how to check the answer. Same way you have to convert the mixed fraction into the improper fraction. Solution. Write the sum. First you need to multiply. So I put an arrow and multiply. 5 into 1 is, and then whatever the answer you get, you plus it. Put an arrow sign like this. So 5 into 1 is 5. And 5 plus 3 is, children, 5 plus 3 is
8.
8. So it will be 8 upon 5. This is the method of converting the whole number into the improper. First, multiply the denominator with the whole number, whatever the answer you will get, plus the numerator. 5 into 1 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. So your now answer is 8 upon 5. You can check also that, as you all know, that improper fraction is the fraction which is having the numerator greater than the denominator. Is this here right? So now this way you will convert the mixed fraction into the improper fraction. We'll give you one or two examples. Solve it in your notebook.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, your board is blurry.
Now, my dear.
Renu ma'am, it is
Perfect, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
it is
It's perfect, Aheli, now?
ma'am.
Okay. 3 whole number 3 upon 5. Convert it into the improper. Next is 7 whole number 2 upon 5. Please convert it into the improper and write the answer in the chat box. I want the answers in the chat box fast. You can orally, verbally also do. It is easy. Yes. Very good, Aryan. Yes, Aurav, Anubhavi. Very good, Hiya. Swara, excellent. Neeral, very good. Prishita. Yes. Aryan giving the second answer also. Very good. So children, what will be the answer, Devanshi? Switch on your microphone. Yes, very good. So it is 5 into 3 is 15 plus 3. So it will be 18 upon 5. 5 sevens are 35 plus 2. 37 upon 5. Hope you all are clear how to convert the fractions, how to convert the improper to the mixed, and how to convert the mixed into the improper fraction. Now open your textbook, children. Open your textbook, page number. After the story, we have done greedy gatekeepers. After this story, open page number 57. I'm going to present my screen. Kajal ma'am?
Yes, it is clear.
Okay. So children, can you see my screen? The same page number which is in your textbook? Yes.
Ma'am? Ma'am, can you please send the recording?
Dear, send me the mail. Okay. So now, this page number, Aryan, is it clear? Is it same as like your textbook?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So everyone has to open this page.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
In this, it is written pattern in parts.
Which page number?
Page number 57.
Ma'am, which page number?
57. Pattern in parts. Make different patterns by coloring some squares in the grids. B, C, D are given. A is already done for you. What part of the grid did you color? What part of the grid remain white? So now first one they have done for you. They've colored here. They are making the pattern. So they color one blue here, one here, one here, and this way they created a pattern. And now they have written the fraction of this. So how many are the blue part and how many are the green part? So total parts are 1.
4 upon 2.
Total parts are 1,
2.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So total parts are 16, which will go to the numerator. And the fraction of blue part is, how many blue sections are here? 1, 2, 3, 4,
8.
5,
8. 8.
7, 8. Yes, so 8 upon 16. And how much is the fraction of white part? Can you count how many are the white patterns?
Ma'am, 8.
8 upon 16.
8.
Yes.
8.
So this is
8.
done for you. Now you will have to create your own pattern in the B section, C and the D. Let's see. Please start creating it with the pencil only. Now create it like this. This is also one pattern. One here, one here, one here, one here. So 4 are in this. So you can say that 4 upon 16 is the part of the blue. So what will be the part of white?
Ma'am, can we create our own patterns?
You can create your own pattern. This is just an example.
Okay.
And then you write the fraction of that pattern. That how much is the blue and how much is the white. Okay, clear children? Are you all clear? Yes or no?
Show your thumbs up. Are you getting it?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have a doubt that if we color, if we shade with the pattern with a pencil, so it's compulsory to write
So,
that
no,
portion
then you
upon
write black and white.
black and white.
Yes, because your pencil color is black. And if you want to color it later on with the colors, then you write with the colors. Moving ahead to the C and D. See here, this way the pattern is created. One here, this side, one here, leaving the box. This way they created a pattern. What will be the fraction of blue part here? Yes. Children, switch on your microphone and give me the answer. Yes, children. Kajal ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am,
Yes.
6 upon 16.
6 upon 16.
Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 upon 16. Aheli, what will be the fraction of white portion?
Aheli, switch on your microphone.
Aheli, what will be
10
the
upon,
fraction?
10
Yes.
upon 16.
This way you have to create your own patterns and write the fraction. Now, here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 blue. So 7 upon 16. So what will be the remaining? 9 upon 16. So please create your own patterns and write the fraction. Clear? Come to the next down. Look at the grid A again. Is the grid colored? So go up on the next, the above grid which you have done before. On the grade 1. So they are saying it is 18 upon 16 and 18 upon 16. So when you do the lowest term of, reduce it into the lowest term, 1 upon 2 blue part or 1 upon 2 white part. Let's check how it will be. You have done the reduce to the lowest term. Wait a minute, I'll explain you how to reduce it to the lowest term. See, our first grid was 8 upon 16. Can you hear me, everyone? Can you hear me, everyone? Please switch on your microphone and tell me.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what will be the lowest term for 8 upon 16? We have learned, no? Reduce to the lowest term. Yes or no, children?
So no, show your thumbs up if you know.
So 8 ones are 8 and 8 twos are 16. It's 1 upon 2 and this is 1 upon 2. Means they are half part is blue and half part is white. Right. White. So this is also right. We can say 2 upon 4. When you reduce 2 upon 4, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, and this is 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2 means this is also half blue and half white. So this is also right. Can we reduce 3 upon 8 and 5 upon 8 to the lowest term? Yes, Aryan. Can we reduce 3 upon 8 and the 5 upon 8 to the reduced term?
No, ma'am.
No. Why not, my dear?
Ma'am, because they are the smallest fraction of their
Own table and they are not coming in the same
Any-
number, right? So
Yes.
now tell me 4 upon 8 and 4 upon 8. Can we reduce this now fraction to the lowest?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So A,
1 upon
B
2, 1
and
upon
D.
2.
Yes?
1 upon 2, 1 upon 2.
Yes. So A, B and D are same like the grid A, but C is not. So write it no. Now the third is draw grids of 16 squares and pattern with 2 upon 8 red, 1 upon 2 yellow, 1 upon 4 green. This you will do in your notebook. I'll show you. This will be your home task. This way you will create a grid of 16 squares, and in that you have to color the 2 upon 8 with the red. What will be the 2/8 of 16 squares? Tell me.
Excuse me, Renu, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have to go for reading class. The reading class has started, so can I go?
Yes, you can leave.
Ma'am.
Yes, my dear.
Me, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, my dear. Tell me.
Ma'am, the third
Ma'am,
one is homework.
Yes,
ma'am,
this
we
is
have. Ma'am, we
Devanshi,
have
I'm
to
not
make.
getting. You have to make this
Ma'am,
grid in the notebook.
We have
After
to
the
make the
class.
2 grades, no?
This is one grid only.
Yes, ma'am, but we have to make 2 grades and we have to do A and B in one in A and second in B, no?
Yes. So this is the
Okay, so
home
ma'am,
task.
it is our home task.
Yes, this is the home
Okay.
task. Just see how to color the red part 2 upon 8. What will be the 2/8 of red?
Ma'am, we have to make the pattern and then we have to color, no?
Yes. So Devanshi, now you tell me you will color 2 red, 1 yellow and 1 green?
Yes.
Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
So how much is the part of
Yes,
red?
ma'am. 2, ma'am.
No.
We have to color it 2.
No.
Ma'am, 8. We have to color the denominator one.
No. You have to calculate the 2/8 part of 16. 2 upon 8 of 16 which we have learned. What is the 2/8 of 16? 2 upon 8 you can see here. 2 upon 8 multiplied by 16 and then divide. It will be 4 parts red. Clear? You have to calculate what is the 2/8 of 16. What is the half of 16? What is the 1/4 of the 16? This way you have to calculate, my dear. Then you have to color. Try this at home. In case any difficulty, see, half of 16 is 8. 1/4 of 16 is 4. Yes, 1/4 of 16 is 4. So, this way you have to color the pattern. Now, in case if you face any difficulty, ask me in tomorrow's class. We discuss it again. We make it in the class also if you face any difficulty. So our session ends here today.
Ma'am, okay, I got it. We have to color 4 red
Ma'am.
and 8 yellow and remaining parts green.
Yes. This way you have to calculate. Yes, my dear. So thank you, children.
I didn't understand the last bit of 16 square and
Okay, I will explain you. I will explain you.
Bye, ma'am.